Presenting Godrej's Inverter Frost-Free Double Door Refrigerator, an intelligent inverter refrigerator that is available in 244, 260 and 294 liter capacity with a 3-star rating. With the 6-in-1 convertible freezer technology, you may use the freezer in 6 different modes as per your requirement. The Cool Balance technology coupled with moisture control technology delivers up to 30 days of freshness to your fruits and vegetables. Equipped with multi-inverter technology, it adjusts the cooling of the unit intelligently for greater efficiency. With the ambient weather sensing technology, you can track internal and external temperature. You also get more space and flexibility with the widest freezer in the segment and a movable ice tray, featuring toughened glass shelves that are durable and strong. This unit also comes with an extra storage space of 2.25 liters in the bottle compartment. Its thick PUF insulation ensures cooling retention. The Godrej refrigerator has an antimicrobial resistance removable gasket that helps keep food germ-free and fresh. This patented cool shower technology comprises of shelves with inbuilt air vents to ensure 360-degree superior cooling. Available with a 1-year warranty on product and 10 years warranty on compressor. Get this product on Amazon. You can avail EMI options or pay online using debit or credit card or even net banking. There's also a 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective products. You can schedule the delivery at your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery.